This video will show you how to install Trufiber's 2010 to 2014 Mustang carbon fiber LG48 splash guards. Please note, you do not need to remove your tire to install this product. We have done this for a clear shot of the steps needed to install these splash guards. Start by removing the 3 Phillips screws using a short, L-shaped or socket-based screwdriver that will fit between the wheel gap. Lift the tab gently and slide towards the vehicle to remove the original mudguard. Slide the new mud flap into place, making sure it clips in securely. Line up and reinsert the 3 original Phillips screws. Repeat these steps for the other side of your Mustang and you will have finished installing your new mudguard. For more Trufiber and TruCarbon products, visit trufiber.com or trucarbon.net.